We are getting tons of questions from people who work in manufacturing asking why they are not shutting down and are considered essential. Can you elaborate on what manufacturing sectors are essential and why?
So again, I would direct everybody online to the frequently asked questions and to the order itself. It actually outlines quite a long list. The intention here is that there's a supply chain of manufacturing that occurs not just for the end product that you see on a shelf, but all the way back. You know, the bread that you see on the shelf is not just the bread itself, but there's a twist tie and there's a plastic bag that holds the bread. Those are all manufacturers that are necessary in order for that good to end up on the shelf. The same thing is true for bottle makers for pharmaceuticals, for example. It's not just the pharmaceuticals, but someone makes the tops, someone makes the bottles. You can see that there's a whole supply chain behind many of the things that are necessary for everybody's daily life. And so we want to be, to make sure that essential business operations includes all of the supply chain across the board. So again, for people who are curious about whether companies in their industry or something they're interested in is covered as an essential business operation, they should go and look at the order that we issued, the executive order, and also at the frequently asked questions. I'm going to take one more question